pretty good.
Can I taste it? Can I taste one?
Have the ketchup, Betty.
It's pretty good. Let me get some with mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
It's cheese.
Oh, it's cheese, not mashed potatoes.
It's not vlogging anymore.
Can you put this in my burger? I'm gonna cut it up a little bit.
Pretty good.